In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on a workflow in HubSpot. Open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot into the search bar, then click through to the official HubSpot website. If you already have a bookmark, that works too. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct HubSpot portal for your team, and that your user has permission to view and edit workflows. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Once you're in, move your cursor to the main navigation. Look for the section labeled Automation. Hover there to reveal its options, then select Workflows. This brings you to the central list where all your workflows live. You'll see details like names, statuses, and owners, which can help you quickly confirm you're in the right place. Find the specific workflow you want to activate. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name or type. When you've located the correct one, hover over it so the quick actions appear, then click Edit Workflow. This opens the Workflow Editor, where you can see the enrollment triggers, the sequence of actions, and any delays or branches you've configured. Before you switch anything on, take a brief moment to scan the canvas and confirm everything looks as expected. When you're ready, look to the top right corner and click Review and Turn On. HubSpot will open a review panel that summarizes key settings: how contacts, companies, deals, or tickets will enter the workflow, what actions will run, and any recommendations or warnings the system has identified. If HubSpot presents review steps that you don't need to walk through, you'll see an option labeled Skip to turn on. Click that if you're confident in your setup and want to proceed without addressing suggestions right now. Skipping doesn't change your workflow. It simply moves you past the optional checks. Next, click Turn on Workflow. You may see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully, then confirm to activate. After a moment, the workflow status will switch to On. From here, any records that meet your enrollment criteria will begin entering the workflow and running through the actions you've set. As a quick tip, keep an eye on performance once it's live. You can monitor enrollments, review error logs, and make adjustments in the editor if something needs fine-tuning. And if at any point you need to pause things, you can return to the same area and turn it off while you make updates. That's it. You've successfully turned on a workflow in HubSpot.